What's up, guys? I've been telling you recently that I had a big stack of 30 minutes missions kits to get around to checking out, and I wasn't joking. I've got 4 main kits, 4 option sets, and then another 3 of these smaller bagged option sets. So a lot of 30 minutes mission stuff we need to get around to reviewing, so let's get to it. I'm going to go through these in order, but anyway, we're going to do reviews of all of them. So I hope you guys are strapped in for the next couple weeks while we're going to be doing a ton of 30 minutes mission stuff. The first couple of 30 minutes missions releases I was not that into, but a lot of the more recent ones have been much more cool looking in my opinion. So here's a look at some of the kits we're going to be taking a look at over the next couple weeks. You've got the Portanova Space type, the Alto Flight type, and the Alto Ground type, and the Portanova Marine type. Option parts set 1, the multi-booster unit. Option parts set 2, the arm unit rifle / large claw. And option backpack 1, option armor for commander, and option backpack 2. So a lot of stuff to get to. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to that. I'll see you with the first review coming up soon. And as always, follow me around on Facebook, Twitch, and here on YouTube if you want to watch the live builds of these kits. I will be building a lot of this stuff live as well as doing just the regular standard reviews, and then we'll try out some custom work with this stuff as well. So hopefully you guys are looking forward to that, taking a look at a bunch of this new 30 minutes mission stuff. Should be pretty exciting. And don't forget, guys, too, that you can check out everything 30 minutes missions on USA Gundam Store and use my coupon code ZakuAurelius10 to save 10% off all the 30 minutes mission stuff that you could possibly dream of. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.